Welcome to this guide on Revolut SWIFT transfer, a comprehensive tutorial that will walk you through the process of making international money transfers using the Revolut platform. To begin with, it is essential to understand what SWIFT transfer is. SWIFT, which stands for Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, is a global messaging network used by banks and financial institutions to securely exchange financial messages and instructions. The first step to making a Revolut SWIFT transfer is to ensure that you have a Revolut account. If you do not have one, you can easily sign up for free on the Revolut website or mobile app. Once you have a Revolut account, you need to navigate to the transfer section of the app or website. Here, you will see the option to make a SWIFT transfer. Select this option and enter the details of the recipient, including their name, bank account number, and the bank's SWIFT code. It is crucial to double-check the recipient's details to avoid any errors or delays in the transfer process. You should also be aware of the fees associated with SWIFT transfers, which can vary depending on the recipient's location and the amount being transferred. After entering the recipient's details, you will need to select the currency you want to transfer and the amount. Revolut will then provide you with an estimate of the transfer fee and the exchange rate. Once you have confirmed the transfer details, you can proceed to make the payment. The transfer will then be processed, and the funds will be sent to the recipient's bank account. It is worth noting that SWIFT transfers can take several days to complete, depending on the banks involved and the location of the recipient. However, Revolut aims to process transfers as quickly as possible, and in some cases, transfers can be completed within 24 hours. To avoid any issues with your SWIFT transfer, make sure to use the correct SWIFT code for the recipient's bank and provide all the required information. You should also be aware of any local laws or regulations that may apply to international money transfers. In conclusion, making a Revolut SWIFT transfer is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this tutorial and taking the necessary precautions, you can ensure that your international money transfers are secure, efficient, and hassle-free.